Looking to make money online but not sure where to start? Explores teen-friendly online jobs like content creation allows you to express your creativity and get paid for it. You can write articles, create graphics, or manage social media for businesses. Freelancing offers a vast array of services you can provide, from writing and editing to graphic design and virtual assistance. Share your knowledge and help younger students excel in subjects you're confident in and passionate about. If you have excellent typing skills and attention to detail, data entry could be a flexible way to earn some extra cash. Companies are always looking for users to test their websites and apps for usability. Sign up with reputable survey companies to share your opinions and earn some extra cash. Turn your passion for making things into profit by selling your crafts on platforms like Etsy. If you have a passion for a particular topic, you can build a following on YouTube and potentially earn revenue through advertising or sponsorships. Online jobs offer flexibility in scheduling, the opportunity to gain valuable skills, financial independence, and the ability to balance work and education effectively. Visit www.teenagejunctions.com for further details.